Emo si adi ago kansie mu nsem ebra o ewon kwantanan ne so ye from Eugene Kwame Anane sports team ni nyina ebo mi ti dom ne adi dwumadie ebe somo enanopei ewon kwantanan ne so nsawa Black Adaroma ko Facebook sisi a Opimso radio on Facebook ukwa ubenya dwumadie ni bi ahwe na bibia kwaso kama mesa ukwa o like page no wa share na wonua enso anya bi ahwe enne akwaye Monday die na se ye mpatamu nsam na ana ye de ebremu ewo dwumadie ne sunti ko Facebook sisi a Opimso radio on Facebook na bibia nkoso kama Emma na usunya dwumadie ni bi hwe na unse dwumadie no ye ne wo na edi dwumadie ni tie Facebook Opimso radio on Facebook ko na ko hwe bi na bibia nkoso kama emfa Emma na yensensem na se dia ne ye start free AGFA meche AGFA integrity air committee Mr. Obetufo ono na panyina oda dwumadie no ano na ene ya de se ono so presentation kama pa ana opanyino nanu fiada no oye ene obesa ye baako ewo FIFA meche FIFA Global Integrity Programmer ekoso no opanyino empanifo invite no se omra na onsan emeye presentation no ho na bibia enkoso kama ne nyina eye match manipulation omo hwe kwan a sade ma ne nyina ebefa so ejana se referee ekodi game a team officials bi enkosia no koka nche okay opanyini ema o say na kwe say ema ye ntini nyina edwumadi a omo hwe na mo de to akwam na bibia enso akoso kama ye de ahonsam no ema o edwumadi enso na opanyini be san ye presentation no ogina Ghana nem no presentation no na bibia enso akoso kama e de ama ye football no GFA club aya meche license D coaching license D no empenfo aya say third batch I started ewo enkan enra na third batch no started adwumade na ekoso ewo Ghana soccer of excellence meche Ghana man soccer of excellence pram ho na adwumade no ekoso ayede ahonsam no ma adwumade no so na third batch no ade say coaches mako aduanan 40 coaches and omo start adwumade na omo hwa no mu say license D coaching license D no amonso benya bi na mo de adwudwuma na bibia koso kama e amoma ye de ahonsam no ma odwumade ne so Black Stars ya de se nyame boa memenda di anim ya ye gina kono ye ne Zimbabwe ye World Cup Qatar 2022 game a eba so ewo Cape Coast na players no start here omo drop na enwunwa ade say the new goalkeeper Jojo World Cup obedruye na obaye no na mu say yes ahofama abrante no edeba na nim sere no ade say why ready so no so ebe represent Ghana no make sure say goalkeeper Richard Oforia number 1 na maidie ono so benya akonya no start game no ede ama Ghana ede ahonsem no ma odwumade na Black Stars in sensem ya ana Karim Zito technical director ede ma Dreams FC opanyin koya SI under 20 Ghana metia Black Satellite yen coach anoni tudwa say player ye friend Philemon Bafo a Ghana for so man no agu ni so mo ntiasia say penifo to mo nsa e de friend kola bia ne ato ne sa friend no o se wa obeka sa bia uye nyatwo uye hypocrite papa esan say abrantia no born onimbo ono currently Ghana ha no sa player no and the best right back ye kase obi omo number 2 pad ya eye Philemon Bafo etima amudnam amokase player no onimbo da bia ne afre no osesa asem ni nyina no kura bia enso enimtima amokika asem ni nyina munyan na Philemon Bafo no onimbo bon onimbo yie pa enunti ana Black Stars squad bebe bia no na player no edin wom nti osemo amokasa asem ni nyina mu ye hypocrite munyan asem no e kana ye ha ni mu say ena enkwesi ni wukwara so de na there say Black Star players coach Milovan Rajovac oni assistant oto ado ana fe maso kunadu eto omonsa efra no enu Wednesday no na wanya full house bibia be konkan e de amoma ye de ahonsam no eto anim odwumade no na ye wram na ye nko club issues kakra Manaf Omar abrantia ne be kan honsam na nsa na no ye nko kwa abibrem ade say enra na Division 2 Middle League no bibia enso ekoso be kaya Okwa United ene kwa Bibrem United eboye ema incident bi si ma game no amawie ye ebe na se supporters Thiago Pramane so e ma asem ni ye bebre na GF appeals committee no e rule ye e ba ya no na so game no o so mo sign e body foforo enra game no e ba so na game no e ba na we na se Kwabi Brem United ati Okwa United e twa kan mienu a Kwabi Brem e se o ma qualify a o mo kwa kopo middle league final no na se o mo hwe se o mo so be qualify na division 1 no o mo aba abebo bi nti ade se nyame bo a eye Kwabi Brem United United omo ni Kofoidia Susem SC Kofoidia Susem SC Chipsa any Eric Alajide de team no omo ni omo na ebo final no ma he do no so benya nord no na wa qualify aba division 1 no and emuntia ya Kwabi Brem United omo ni Kofoidia Susem SC na ebo a ye de ahonsam no ma o dwumade ne so Isaac Kwan player no si akan edema Diana Stars Bobo Konene akosign 2 years contract edema tima your friend 11 wonders it say there Isaac Kwan player edema 11 wonders or kono akosi Amos Frimpong and them and so hono ma ye honsam no ma dwumade no and as na Manaf Omar or player bia o si akan edema has of Bobo Kono player yi adese konsa mo bodu ba no player no waira Uhana uhuno starting 11 onya bimbo 18 man squad krano ya dese onya kwanpo no watimi abam na de aba and say RTU and LED race no say omubenya abrante no abesi akan e de ama omo na no ana Manaf Omar ono ni agent no ekohia House of Folk mpanifo no has 4% or extended contract no abrante no so se dabi or extended contract no and they say their airbound and it's a House of Folk I say 100,000 Ghana cedis 1 billion they are two a player your friend Manaf Omar so RTU for pa mefano enfano enkona RTU ana ye kona ya din sam kakra enso ama dwumade no enso enche na ya de say division 1 super cup no baso na same bara PR de ma RTU boboko no so kone de kose he no magye tournament no na bibia koso kama de ama RTU boboko no
the time to or person participate in that competition on during the course of the division 1. It was the preparation and the airport in the of competition of back to Tamale. I think so he has started playing some matches, but they are low profile matches. Officially, these, the likes of Accra Lions or the Omosubo Premier, they're very good start. Some other Division 1 clubs, then they are into serve as high profile matches. Then Real Play United head coach Shan, for example. And you are the squad I want to get. It means we are about the way of the competition.
Wait, I am someone say Mubarak. I had PRO Adama Tima. Your friend RTU attitude diet on some no amount dwumade na on recruitment and so on in some way etuja.
So far no, I think officially young confirming in terms of Real Play United, but of course we have all the players that we are supposed to sign in the camp, with the exception of David Abagna, Manaf Umar of Accra, so and Abrantia Clinton, but of course Clinton Yao, everybody from Accra. Manaf Umar, we are still waiting for Accra House to go. So Major Abrantia now on the South American team now.
Wey ayan sama ono so attitude ade ma na Felix Anani yetete say RTU for edina chi den na set I omugusu a omu monitor player no a situation.
No doubt about the qualities and it is not going to be new because in 2011-2012 which we Real Play United he came and nearly promoted RTU back after they went to relegation in 2011. Felix Annan coming to RTU and engaging especially to the people of the northern region because the fact is that the coach not showing interest so they can at this particular moment and by close of this week some kind of concrete and positive thoughts are on the coach that they are very difficult convinced.
Wait, I am some RTU. PRO attitude diet on some no Emma Ojumeden so crab ya sane ko kopo boko na nei omo ewon kan omo he no ma ya hoboa no ma kopiem Dubai na pre-season air training no bibia akoso kama e de ama team na ye de ho nsam no Emma Ojumeden na Richard Buadu Agadas e de nsam dodo na e na atojo se na ni GP se waba no ba besi akan e de ama crab ya sane ko na bana waba no nia no ye ewo media ma no be he no aye ni mo na bibia akoso kama Ede amano na de ba ene se kotoko assign Stephen Amankuna from Ebrekum Chelsea na ere se official announcement no ebe ba anwumre tenasia Sasudan kwada filtration man ede ho nsam dodo na enso ebe tumanim na se de da ye ye no ere se kotoko signings are so far omaye no omoye nkono na se ene tie Maxwell Adimai or a central defender Richmond Lamptey or a midfielder Clinton Opoku ya midfielder Samuel Boateng a striker Richard Buadu Agadas a midfielder Samuel Appiah a right back Isaac Opon a winger Augustine a Japan a right back and afei ti abrantia your friend Stephen Amankuna and so abeshema bibia e koso no so a midfielder idea ho nsam no ma Ojumeden sunti ya dubesi na ya wema amanane ona resource enra ne Saturday na titodwa na yabobo so kakra e de amamu na afei ya so na agudi enso atnase na watu Ojumeden ne so e de amamu Ojumeden na de ya wo mi say Real Madrid lusuye Barcelona elusuye PSG elusuye Bayern Munich elusu na say almost say niema papa nti ye de besi wa na nwumra ye tenase a ya bebo so e de amamu na agudi